Alright, so we're laying out the lines for the base. I'm going to be drilling. So I got my piece of 5/8 aluminum stock, cut the length, that's 3 3/4 inches end to end, and I got my height gauge set up for 5/16, which is half, and I'm going to start laying out the lines on the base. So I don't know if you'll be able to see this. Just left-handed. Okay. And I'm going to continue laying out the lines. I'll bring you back when I have everything all laid out. Alright, so I finished laying out all of the lines, and all of the holes got to get drilled, and there's a slot that has to get cut. Pretty much straightforward stuff. So bring you back when I have it set up in the mill. Okay. Go in 1/100,000, half the diameter of that. Now it's right on the edge. 5/8 stock, so half that's 5/16. 312,500 gauge. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's right on the center. I lock the table in the y-axis. Now I'll pick up the edge on the far end. Alright, this is for the oil hole for the valve linkage shaft, and I got to go down 3/16 of an inch. I have my digital readout for my quill set, and I moved the table over to a distance of 625 thousandths, and a center drill. Alright, I'm drilling it 15/64 for a depth of 3/8 of an inch, or 375 thousandths. Alright, I got my 1/4 inch reamer and I'll ream that. Alright, I'm going to, I got to drill a hole here for a 3/48 thread, which is a number 47 drill bit, and that'll be for the piston rod support. So the center drill action. And this goes down for a depth of a 1/2 inch. Just about there. Alright, well, not to break up the fun of all of this drilling, after I drilled this, I figured let me tap this now without moving anything. This way I know it's going to be perfectly lined up. So I got my 340 tap set up, and I got my spring-loaded tap center there, and so let's get this guy tapped now, get him out of the way. Okay, all right, this is a taper tap. I'm going to come back, follow up with a bottoming tap, and I'll do that off camera. Okay, so all of the holes on this surface of the base are now completed. So now I will go ahead, take this out, flip it over, and come back and drill the holes for the set screws for the column and the cylinder, and the hole that goes through for the valve linkage. And there's also a hole here which has got to get drilled, which holds the bearing for the flywheel. So I'll bring you back in a little bit.